I bought this X809 drone a few years ago because it was the cheapest drone I could find with a camera on it. Since then, I had a very little time to play with it, and the main reason for that is that I kept losing it in the field. The reasons for that are first that I'm not such a good pilot. The second reason is that sometimes it went left or right instead of up. And the third reason is that the drone was losing connection with the remote and start wandering off. One time it was stuck on the top of a tree for 4 days during a storm, and eventually it fell down and it survived. To fix the going up strong left and right, I decided to replace the propellers with new ones. The plastic on this drone is very thin and cheap, and the propellers are very dent from all the crashes. I checked the gears for missing teeth. I had to fix some breaking in the body plastic with hot glue. The drone came with 4 spare blades to replace the propellers. Replacing the propellers is quite easy. You just need to unscrew some Phillips screws and put them back. There is a plastic silver case that goes on top of the screw. Also, I put some WD-40 to make everything a little bit smooth, or try to avoid the corrosion. And return the silver plastic heads, let's say. Found in eBay this iTag for about $12. It works with Bluetooth and smartphone app, and it will beep if getting too far from the phone or by clicking the button. I wanted to mount this to the drone, so I printed a small case and tape it to the drone with a double-sided tape. clean the drone a little bit with alcohol before putting the tape, the double-sided tape. The plastic of the drone is very thin, as I said before, and you need to be careful when doing that, not making a hole in the body. Then I just put the eye tag and close it with a screw. And the idea is to press the button whenever the drone is getting lost somewhere where I can't find it right away. Usually I waste a lot of time trying to see where it fell, if it fell behind the building or behind the tree. Also, the camera probably is damaged from the rain or for something else, and maybe I'll do another project of upgrading the camera of this drone. The weight of the eye tag and the case doesn't seem to influence the flight of the drone, and when it gets lost I can click the button and look for the beep sound, so I can locate where exactly the drone fell. I very much recommend this upgrade if you have a similar problem with your drone, because for me it saves me a lot of time. When I have time to play with the drone, I don't waste all the time just looking to see where it fell or got lost. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribe to the channel.